working with some heat-sensitive components like this valve here, Solderweld's got you covered. They came out with the Hot Block. Now this is a heat-absorbent putty. Now what it can do is block up to 3,000 degrees within a half an inch. That is crazy. So what you want to do is just apply a thin layer around the component that you're going to be heating, or close to where you're going to be heating. So all you want to do is get you a handful of the putty. Now this is reusable. So if it starts to dry out, all you need to do is add a little bit of water and mix it in a little bit, and then it'll get its consistency right back. Now you can use this Hot Block on any types of valves, not just ball valves or TX valves. You can use them on reversing valves. You can do on king valves, service valves on the air conditioning systems, any type of heat sensitive component. So you're talking about your low pressure switches, high pressure switches, anything like that. This product will make sure none of those components fail due to overheating. Now, if you guys need more additional protection while you're brazing, check out what Solderweld came out with. They got a magnetic flame resistant blanket. What's really cool about this is it has internal magnets. So if you need to attach it to an air conditioner, you can do so and not worry about holding it. It also has these eyelets, so if you are working interior somewhere and you have some screws that you can just screw to the wall, whatever it is that you can do, you can hook it that way as well. Now that's going to help you protect the equipment, the customer's equipment, or yourself, depending on what your situation you're in.